Your heart says you need more snacks.
Why are there bones everywhere?
We are losing fluff. More stuffing, stat!
Scanning. Scanning. Result. You need a nap. Why is this thing cat-proof?
Processing. I pressed the wrong button.
Lesson 1. Don't eat the bandages. They're for wrapping wounds, not for snacks. Chewed bandages don't help anyone. Good? Good. Now, let's talk about fish bones. Snacks?
Awake.
Say meow.
Meow.
Good. Diagnosis.
Weird.
We must save every kibble.
If it explodes, it means it's working.
Emergency! Someone dropped snacks! Hang on! Treats inbound! Very first responder on the way!
Why can't I hear anything? Oh,
You're stronger than the sniffles, the sprains, and the setbacks. You will recover. Believe in the power of naps!
my heart is too fast! I need snacks! Oh, better.
There, you're all better, plush friend.
Running. Relax. I only poked you 5 times.
That's totally meant to do that.
Yes, the cure is naps. Next question.
Ha! Best machine ever.
Stay with me! Don't go toward the laser pointer! Come on! Come on!
Belly rubs twice daily.
Cool hologram. Can I chase it?
Drone, pass me the fish-flavored bandage.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't fall asleep yet.